What's up guys, so today we've got a bit of a different styled video, as you can probably tell by the thumbnail and the title. So I recently moved into a new apartment, and because I filmed the majority of my videos at home, I decided to turn my second bedroom into a dope ass high-end filming and editing studio. So that's what I did. So before we kick things off, I do want to make a quick note that not everything you see in this video was purchased by me. For instance, some of the lights, the microphone, monitors, even this chair were sent to me by brands. And to be honest, that's all thanks to you guys for supporting the channel on Instagram, TikTok or YouTube. So huge thank you to you. But coming back to the video, I thought it'd be kind of cool if we did a POV styled video so you can see the whole studio and just see where everything lives. And of course, if you do want to purchase something, I'll try and leave a link to everything I mentioned in the description down below. But now that I've gone all of that out of the way, let's get right into it. So like I said, we're going to do a kind of POV style video. So this is what it looks like as soon as you walk in. So we've got desk 2 here and then the main setup. So I thought we could start off with the unfinished desk because it's not really finished just yet. And then we'll get into the juicy part of the video. So let's get right into it. So some of you may recognize this desk. This is where I do my Instagram lives. So whenever I have my camera set up here, it then points over to the main setup. So it's got a nice backdrop. So here we have the M1 MacBook Pro, and this is upgraded to 16 gigabytes of RAM. And basically what I use this desk for is for the Creatives Club store. So you can see we've got a camera strap right there, and this is also the printer for all the labels. And then we've got the thank you cards as well. If you want 15% off, you can grab it right here. We only got about 10 t-shirts left, so hurry now if you want to grab some before the official release will be restocking. So yeah, we've got some cool camera gear here as well. So this is a DJI Ronin S, and these are the famous grips that everyone asks me about. So they literally plop on just like that, and then you've got a dual handle grip. I'll leave a link to those in the description down below. We've also got some microphones that Deity sent over. These are really awesome. I use them every single day. And this is a wireless microphone, which is super, super cool. Here we've got some Lume Cubes that Lume Cube sent over. So they're really cool because you can actually change the filters really easily. So here we've got a light diffuser. And if you take that off, you can see we've got a blue gel on top. So that's cool. This is a brand new monitor that was sent to me by Portkeys, and I recommend this so much. It's called the PT5 and it's absolutely amazing. It does 4K, it's super lightweight, and a cool thing about this is that it comes with the swivel head, which a lot of monitors don't actually come with, and this one is really, really good quality. So I definitely recommend that. It's my go-to monitor at the moment. So that's pretty much it for that setup. So let's move over to the main setup. So the first two things you may notice are the chair and the desk. So these were actually sent over by FlexiSport. I actually did a video for them over on Instagram a few days ago. So the chair is really cool because it's got a footrest, which I have never had before, and I absolutely love this. And then this is the Sanodesk electric chair. I think it's called the E1. Once again, I'll leave a link to that in the description. But it's a fully standing desk. So if we press this button right here, you can see that it moves all the way up. And I've actually replaced the tabletop with an IKEA Carby desk purely because I have 3 monitors and a computer on here. So this is the desktop that it actually came with, and it was way too small. So I've just upgraded it to the Carby desk. Now for the computer setup, this is a completely custom build. So I'm using the Lian Li O-Dynamic 11 case. We've got a 3080 Ti, we've got a Ryzen 9 5900X CPU, we've got 48 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, roughly 35 terabytes of storage, and then a bunch of RGB colored fans. On top of the PC, we have the Don't Stop Just Create sign, which was custom made. I actually got this done a few weeks ago, and it's full RGB, which is really, really awesome. I love this so much. It's on par with the Creators Club. For the desk setup, we've got a few key things that I want to show off. So this is the Logitech G915 TKL. So it's the smaller version, so you don't have a number pad on the right side. This is really, really awesome, and it's completely wireless, which I love. We got this mouse, which is the G604, which is absolutely amazing because you've got 9 different macros here, and then you've got a few other macros on top, which is really, really useful when you're editing. We've got an extra large mouse pad for my headset. I'm using the Astro A50s. These are wireless, so that little dock there is the charger. So these are awesome. They just connect to the PC as soon as I lift them up. I also use some Sony X3s as well for noise cancelling whenever I need that. For the monitors, I've got 3 of them, so they're just basic Acer monitors. The one on the left and the right are 75Hz, and that's 144Hz for whenever I'm gaming. Then we've got a few things on here. This is a USB port, so you've got 3 USBs, you've got an SD card reader and a micro SD card reader. So I just plugs in the computer. It's super, super useful. We've got an Alexa. We've got some hard drives here, a fast charger for my phone and a speaker. And then we've got this Audio Technica microphone. I bought this like 2 or 3 years ago. Still does the job, really, really nice. And if you guys are wondering how I get my POV shots whenever I'm doing my tutorials, I literally just stick a tripod here and then I put my camera. Now, for now, we just have a film camera just so I could show you what it looks like. So the camera just goes on top of that and then it captures my face. We've also got some Hue LED strips back here so I can have a bit of a nice backdrop behind my monitors, and that's RGB as well, so I can change that whenever we want. Now we are almost done with the setup, but I just want to quickly show you the lights and how I position them. So to start off, here we have the newer SL60W. So this used to be my key light, but I now use it as my hair light because Aperture have kindly sent over their brand new Amaran 200X with the softbox. So you can see that right here. It's absolutely amazing. It's so much better than the newer one that I've got here. And Aperture also sent over their Amaran P60C, which is awesome because it's got a bunch of light presets, which I've already set a few of them up. So here we've got a blue, then we've got like a red, we've got white, and then we've got a teal. So that's how I get my little backdrop for my videos. Now this is the main setup for the videos. So here I have my camera on this little tripod. It's just a basic Amazon Basics one. I've got a mic stand for my audio, so this is where the microphone goes. And then we've got a fill light right here for the right side of my face, because here we have a softbox which hits me at a 45-degree angle. So that does most of the job for the lighting, but if I do need to fill my face, I'll use this newer 2-panel. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's finish off the video. So that's pretty much the tour of the studio. Now, obviously I haven't showed you all of the equipment I have because some of it is still in storage and some of it I'm filming on right now. So if you're wondering what camera I'm using, it's a Sony a7 Mark III with a 16-35 G Master lens. And for instance, I have all of my drones, which are usually set up on the charging station, but because that's not hanging up on the walls just yet, I haven't taken the drones out. So let me know if you want to see a video on how I build the charging station and how I set it up with all my drones and batteries. Could be quite a cool video to make. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.